Hello students, let us learn general science for class 3 from the book Science Squad. Today we are going to learn chapter 16, Force and Work. In this chapter we shall discuss about push, pull as a force, direction of the force and the force which helps us to do the work. Let us discuss about the push. What will you do to move an object at rest? We either push or pull the object. A child pushes the ball with foot and we say the ball moves. A small girl or a boy pushes the boy sitter to make it move forward. A push on the pedal moves a bicycle forward. Let us discuss the pull. A child pulls the toy cart. The rickshaw man moves the rickshaw with the help of pulling it. Your horse pulls the cart to make it move. This push or pull is called a force. In pushing or pulling, you have to apply force. What has to be done to stop a moving object? We need a force to stop the moving objects. Direction of force. If you kick a ball lying on the ground, it will go in a particular direction where you apply the force. Now you kick the same ball with the same force but in the opposite direction. Then the ball moves in the opposite direction. So we say force works in different directions. The direction of the force helps to move the object in that particular direction. Let us say, for example, force of a breeze. You know, the breeze is a gentle wind. What happens to a flag? It flutters. What happens when a strong storm hits the house? Force of a strong storm will destroy a house. Therefore, we say force of a storm is greater than the force of the breeze. Let us see how force helps to move things in different ways. Movement involves push, pull, lift, heave, squeeze, twist, turn, bend, break. All these involves movement. These movements require force. So we can say force cause objects to start, to stop, change the direction, makes the object move faster or slower. A player changes the direction of a rolling football by kicking it. The ball rolls over in another direction. If you pedal harder, your bicycle moves faster in the same direction. If you pedal slowly, your bicycle moves slower in the same direction. Work and force. When a force moves an object to some distance, then we can say work is done. Force helps us to work. The amount of work done depends on the force and the distance moved. You can move a table but cannot move a rock. If you apply all your force to move a heavy load like rock, you cannot move it. So we say no work is done though you have applied a force. Let us have a chapter recap. We often move objects by pushing or pulling them. Push or a pull is called force. A force may cause objects to start move stop moving, change the direction, or move the object faster or slower. Force helps us to work. This ends chapter 16.